So today I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade banana pudding cookies the quick way. Stay tuned and I'll show you the recipe step by step. Follow along. Thanks for watching. So you'll first start off with your banana flavored cake mix. You want to add some oil to the mix as well. Be sure to grab a few eggs. Make sure they're room temperature. It just makes a difference. Mix all of those ingredients together. I used a tablespoon for the measurement of the cookie dough, and you'll just roll it up in like a ball shape. Bake the cookies for about 8 to 10 minutes and then let the cookies cool on a cooling rack, and you're all done. Now you'll make the topping for the banana pudding cookies, which is basically your own recipe of banana pudding. You can make it homemade, you can make instant pudding. It's totally up to you. And you'll just make that. Once you're done making your pudding, you'll put the pudding on top of the cookie and decorate it with cookies, and you're all done.